What's the difference between internal audit and external audit? Are they just two sides of the same coin, or are they completely different roles with different goals? Today we are going to break it all down in a professional yet simple way, baked with real-world examples, process flows, comparison charts, and everything you need to master this topic. What is auditing? Let's start with the basic. So, auditing is an independent examination of financial records and operations to ensure accuracy, integrity, and compliance. The goal? To provide assurance that financial statements present a true and fair view. What is internal audit? Internal audit is conducted by employees or an internal team within the organization. The aim is to assess internal controls, risk management, operations, and compliance from within. Internal auditors are like in-house doctors, constantly diagnosing and fixing processes before problems grow. So, key features of internal audit. There are several key. We have conducted continuously reports to management or audit committee, focuses on operational efficiency and risk, helps in internal control improvement. So what is external audit? So external audit is carried out by independent auditors from outside the company. The main purpose? To express an opinion on whether the financial statements are free from material misstatements, whether due to fraud or error. So key features: conducted annually, it reports to shareholders required by law for listed or public companies, and it focuses on financial accuracy and compliance. So what's the key difference? Let's have a comparison table. Internal audit's objective is to improve internal controls and processes, while external audit's objective is to give opinion on financial statements. Internal audit's appointment is by management, or external auditors are being appointed by shareholders. Internal audit is reporting goes to management or audit committee, while external auditors reports are for shareholders. So internal audits usually optional legal requirements. So a legal requirement of external audits are legally mandatory for most firms. Internal audits are not fully independent, or while external auditors or external audit is fully independent. Internal audit is ongoing, while external audit is annual, and internal audit is broad, risk operations and compliance, while external audit is narrow and financial statements only. So next we have our roles and responsibilities. Let's break down who does that. And for external auditors, evaluate risk management system, assesses operational efficiency, suggests process improvements, whereas external auditors verify accounting records, assesses financial compliance, give audit opinion in the audit report. So next we have our audit process comparison. So first of all, we have internal audit process. We have risk assessment, planning, field work, reporting, and follow-up. While for external audit, the process is from engagement, then planning, evidence collection, audit testing, and then finally we have report issuance. Next, we have our independence and objectivity. External auditors must be independent from the company, no personal or financial ties. Their credibility depends on it. Internal auditors, however, may face bias as they are part of the organization. But modern internal audit departments try to maintain objectivity by reporting directly to the audit committee. Let's take a real life example. Our manufacturing company noticed delay in its supply chain. Internal auditors conducted a root cause analysis and discovered inefficiencies in vendor contracts. They saved $250,000 annually. Example number 2, for external audit, in 2001, Enron scandal revealed massive fraud. Their external auditors failed to report it, which led to tighter audit regulations globally like SOX. Which one is better? They are both essential. Internal audit is your yearly warning system. External audit is your credibility badge. For organizations aiming for sustainability, growth, and compliance, both are pillars of good governance. Internal audit is equals to internal health check, while external audits are equal to public financial review. Both improve transparency, accountability, and performance. Internal audit's objectives. Internal audit evaluates the effectiveness of internal control. It identifies areas of risk and suggests improvements. It promotes operational efficiency and ethical behavior, and it assists in preventing fraud before it happens. So let's take a look on external audit's objective. External audit verify the accuracy of financial statements, ensure compliance with accounting standards, provide credibility to stakeholders like investors, lenders, or regulators, and detect material misstatements and fraud indicators. Types of internal audit. We have compliance audit, operational audit, information system audit, environmental audit, and risk-based audit. So types of external audit, we have statutory audit, tax audit, forensic audit, cost audit, and governance or regulatory audit. Confidentiality and independence. Internal audit has access to confidential internal documents, can be biased due to internal pressure, limited independence, so may face restrictions in reporting negative findings, while external audit must follow a strict code of ethics and can't have any stake or conflict of interest with the client, legally required to remain independent or risk losing license. Independence is the backbone of external auditing. If compromised, the audit loses its value. Internal audit is like a mirror for the business, while external audit is like a report card for outsiders. When both audits work together, many large firms follow a 3 lines of defense model. First line, operational management. Second line, risk management and compliance. Third line, internal audit. External assurance, external audit. Tip, together internal and external audits form a system of accountability that builds a stronger, more transparent organization. So, my dear viewers, I have some questions for you. Pause here and comment. Have you ever seen an internal audit report or external audit opinion? What was your experience and which role would you prefer to work in internal auditor or external auditor? Let me know in the comments. Let's have a quiz here. Who appoints an external auditor? The answer is shareholders in most cases or the board of directors in their behalf. Next question. Which audit type helps detect fraud within departments? The answer is internal audit. Is independence required more for internal audit or for external audit? The answer is for external audit. External auditors must be fully independent to ensure credibility and objectivity. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and happy learning.